Welcome to Corrositex Made Easy. Our goal is to enable you to have success performing this assay every time. Corrositex is an in vitro testing system that mimics the effect of corrosives on living skin and classifies the level of corrosivity in chemicals, formulations, and waste. Today we show you the elements of a Corrositex kit, the protocol of 3 easy steps, and then provide helpful suggestions to make biobarriers easily, organize your testing plan, and categorize your test sample accurately every time. The elements of a Corrositex kit allow you to qualify, categorize, and classify your sample, and provide the tools for biobarrier artificial skin preparation, which after refrigeration are placed on chemical detection system vials. Now let's begin. First, we will qualify your sample, step 1. This ensures that your test sample is compatible with the Corrositex system before running the test. This step should be performed prior to biobarrier preparation. Add your sample to the qualified test tube. If the amber liquid changes consistency or color, circle Qualify on the Corrositex datasheet, and now you are ready to make biobarrier membranes. If a physical change is not observed, your material may not be compatible with the Corrositex test. This is rare, but should this happen, contact your in vitro representative for guidance. Also, at this point, in our in vitro international lab, we take the pH of every test sample. Note that a pH meter is not absolutely necessary to the performance of a Corrositex assay. The categorization section in the Corrositex instruction manual explains an alternative measurement method. Let's now move to biobarrier preparation before going on to step 2. Add the entire contents of diluent to the vial of biobarrier matrix powder. Using a stirring hot plate, stir and warm to 68 to 70 degrees centigrade in a water bath until the biobarrier matrix powder has completely dissolved, approximately 20 minutes. Next, turn off the heat and stir, but do not remove the vial from the water bath. Pipette solution into each membrane disc, ensuring the entire membrane is covered and no air bubbles have formed. Write the preparation and expiration dates on the lid, seal the tray with plastic wrap, and refrigerate immediately. Do not freeze. Refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours. We recommend overnight at a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Now you are ready for step 2, categorization. Add your test sample to both tube A and tube B. Cap and shake until mixed. If a color change is observed in either tube, match the color to the corresponding color chart provided in the Corrositex instruction manual. Please remember that you must fully read the entire Corrositex manual. This video does not substitute for full and proper Corrositex instruction. If a color change is not observed in either tube, proceed to step 2B. Add 2 drops of the confirm reagent to tube B. Cap and shake until mixed. Now you will match the resulting color to the color chart provided in your Corrositex instruction manual. Assign the appropriate category, and we're ready to proceed to step 3. Before leaving step 2, note that for intensely colored samples, you must refer to the Corrositex instruction manual. Step 3 will classify your test sample as you unpack in group 1, 2, or 3, or as a non-corrosive. Place 1 prepared and refrigerated biobarrier disc in the top of each chemical detection system vial. Begin test immediately. Do not delay longer than 2 minutes. Add your test sample to vial 1, set your timer, and continue by adding to vials 2, 3, and 4. Then enter the times on the Corrositex datasheet. Add positive and negative controls to vials 5 and 6, and record the time on the Corrositex datasheet. These two controls validate the quality of your artificial skin biobarrier membranes. The seventh vial is for chemical detection system color control only. As soon as a reaction is observed in each chemical detection system vial, record the detection time on your Corrositex datasheet provided in the test kit. All your reaction times should be close together. Be certain to use the category time schedule determined in Step 2 and reaction time determined in Step 3 to assign the proper packing group according to Chapter 3, Page 6 of the Corrositex Instruction Manual. In summary, Corrositex testing is quite simple. You need no special training or equipment. Corrositex is fast and not costly. Please remember, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact In Vitro at www.invitrointl.com or your In Vitro representative. Thank you.